Hi, good morning. My name is Dan O'Connell. I'm the Director of Security and Transportation for Williams Island. And I know a lot of residents have been asking about our radar device that we're using here on the island. Back in October, the Board of Directors gave us approval to go ahead and start running radar on the island to start slowing down speeders and giving people warnings about their speeding and their speeding habits. And a lot of people have asked, where do we do this? What does it look like? And what I want to introduce you to is the Traffic Hawk. The Traffic Hawk is a K-band radar device with video that shows us date, time, speeds of vehicles as they go by. Each day when we put this unit out, and it can be put anywhere on the island at any time that we choose, before we even start the unit, we'll go through a calibration. Some of you may know Nick Calvert. He's our System Security Officer. In addition to taking care of our cameras, our computer access control stations, Nick, you'll also see every once in a while running radar around the island in various locations. And what Nick's going to do is he's going to demonstrate how we use this device each day. So Nick will start off with doing a calibration of the unit itself. Go ahead.
Okay.
What Nick is doing is using a tuning fork, and he'll talk about the tuning fork. And what he's doing is putting it in front of the radar device, and that radar device should read 40 miles per hour once it's tuned and it's calibrated. And he'll see that on a display device, his iPad, which not only shows us the video, but will actually show us the calibration as well.
40 miles an hour.
Okay. What that does, we now know that the unit is calibrated, so as each vehicle goes by down the roadway, it's reading the correct speed of that vehicle. We've been using it since October, which I mentioned before. We've been sending out notices to residents to please watch their speeds. As we know, there's a lot of people who enjoy walking in the streets, jogging in the streets, unfortunately, going across the pedestrian areas, and we really are asking residents to be cognizant. After April 15th, if you've been watching the board meetings, we will start again sending warning notices, but for repetitive offenses, the board has now authorized that each offense of speeding will result in up to a $100 fine per offense, and for multiple or for any speeds that might exceed 40 miles an hour, club suspensions can come into play as well. So we hope that doesn't happen. We want to make sure that our residents are aware that we're going to be doing this. We also ask that our residents let their employees that they may have coming to visit the island aware of it, their contractors, anybody that's coming to see them, please pay attention to the posted speed limits. 20 miles an hour is the posted speed limit here on Williams Island. We just want everybody to be safe. This is going to be a tool that we're going to be using to help enforce that, and we thank you.